Hello, dear children. Welcome to the class. Dear children, can you see these things? Dear children, you have to observe these things and then you have to report me their names. At first, this one. What is this? Yes, this one is pencil. What is this? This one is a pen. This is a stick. And this one is a brush. And what is this one? This one is a ruler. Now, dear children, I want to draw the shape of these objects. Would you help me to draw the shapes? Let us draw the shapes of these objects. Yes, look, I am drawing the shapes. Let's draw the pencil at first. This is my new pencil. Now, the pen. This is my new pen with cap. Now I have drawn a stick. This one is my brush. These are its bristles. And this one is the ruler. Dear children, can you tell me what is the common between these drawings? I think you have guessed. What is common? Yes, all these things have the straight lines, or you can say that we use the straight lines to draw these shapes. It means all of them have the standing straight lines. And such lines are known as the straight lines. So, to draw these shapes, we use the straight lines. Now we will draw some straight lines. Let us draw with me. In Hindi lines, you have to draw the straight line like this. Dear children, keep on care that how I am holding the pencil. Like this you may draw the straight lines, and you have to practice for this. Now we will draw some more lines in the 4 lines, 4-line notebook. At first you have to take the upper 3 lines to draw the straight line. Then you have to take the middle 2 lines or this middle space to draw the lines. Then again take the upper 3 lines to draw the straight line or the standing straight line. Like this you have to draw the straight lines today. Dear children, you draw the lines yesterday also. That was the introduction for the lines. You saw the straight, standing and other lines also, but day by day we will take the different lines and we will draw the shapes also. So with the drawing of the objects which have the straight lines or which have the straight shapes, you have to draw these lines also in the notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.